All right, folks, we are gonna today to build a website using HTML, CSS only. No JavaScript, no framework, no Google. Yeah, I'm just kidding. We for sure will use our best friend Google. Okay, let's start and see what we are gonna build today. You see here, guys, the website. Here is the header. Okay, scroll down. Records. Last man standing. Wow. Meet our team. First one, Katie Killer, lead developer. He has 9 lives, 0 bugs. Qatar UI UX, detective, otherwise problem solver, solves mysteries by night, drink coffee by day, and don't ask me about the secret. The bug hunter, code vigilante. Wow. What? What you are doing here, man? What you are doing here, really?
Hi, in a different t-shirt. Okay, now we will see the responsive of the website. That is mobile, tablet, and mobile. Everything good. Here 2 columns. Okay, good. A footer also good. Smaller a little bit. That is the mobile. Okay, that's good. We saw the mobile and we saw the desktop. We saw the mobile. I want to see the tablet. Okay, here. Let's go to. Hmm, there is border there or something. Maybe that there is a problem here. We will fix it while we build the website. Any debug, any error, we should fix it while I build the website, and we will go through the bug and solve it. Okay, everything is good. Responsive is very good. Yeah, it sounds everything is good. Let's go into it.
All right, let's start with HTML. It is like backbone, the bones, the skeleton of the site. It is like the flour in the cake. If there is no flour, there is no cake. But hey, if you think the HTML is boring, uh, yeah, it is boring. But we will try to make it less boring. Okay, let's start. First of all, I start from complete ground up. Okay, I am start from scratch. I only open the new window and new file in Visual Studio. That is all I do. Okay, let's start with HTML, and this file will name it style. Okay, HTML index, and we will make folder and name it assets. That we will put in it images. All images we have, we will put it in assets folder. Okay, let's start with index. First of all, we will make exclamation shift exclamation and enter. And that is the first thing in HTML. Okay, we will put title that name it game website. Okay, and we will put the link for CSS. I like the comment. Okay, in everything we will do in the HTML folder or CSS or anything, we will use comments. That is help us to understand the code and make it organized. Link, CSS, okay, shape, style, that's good. Okay, we will want two links. The first link is for the icons we will use in the website. Okay, so let us go to the Google and write font awesome. That is the name of the website, CDN. Okay, we go to the CDN because we want to the link so we can use the icons. Okay, we copy the link, paste, sorry, we copy from this icon, copy link tag. Okay, paste. That's good. We do the same here, font also. Okay, we paste the link. We don't need this tags. Okay, we can delete it. We only need real and href. We can take a look for the website that named font awesome. Okay, that is the website we will use for the icons. That is the website icons here. Okay, mm, that is all icons we will use. We can click here to make sure that we will use the free icons. Just click here, free. That's all icons we can use in our website. And that is the first link. The second link is for the fonts. And we will use the Google Google Fonts for our fonts. Google Fonts. Google Fonts Pro. Okay. There is many options here, I know. It may be a little bit confused, but let me explain it. First of all, we write what is fonts we want. First fonts we want is named Barlow. Okay, Barlow. We will use this font for the hidden. Um, Barlow. Yeah, that is the fonts. Barlow. Okay, click get the font, and that is the font. All the size here. Get the font. Get embedded codes, and that is the code. That is the code we should copy, but we don't need all that size. We don't need all of that. So we need the 500, okay, and semi-bold and bold. That's all we need. And we need the next font we need. It is named Poppins. I hope I pronounce it right. Okay, that is maybe we you can type here the word uh, to see what it look like. Streaming. That is the font will look will look in your website. Okay, that's good. Get the fonts. I will use uh, only the 300 and 400 and 700. That is all I need. That is the link. I will copy. Okay, paste it here, and the same thing we will do Google Forms, right? Google Forms, Google Forms link. Okay, and that is all we need for HTML setup. Let's name it global roles. The next thing we want is to go to the CSS file and make it our roles too. In CSS, I want to display the website so we can see the website while we write the code. Okay, I prefer to start from mobile to the desktop. You can start from desktop to mobile, it is up to you. First of all, we will write the root. Okay, the fonts. We will also use the comments in the CSS. Fonts, fonts. Okay, the first font I will call it body font. That is will be the opens. Okay, sans serif. The second color will be for the hidden font. Well, sans serif. That is for the font. Go to the colors, colors, comment. Okay. First color we have here, that is blue color. That is for sure will be the primary color for our website. So I will call it primary. Can call it primary color, but we can make it more easy. Just call it primary. And the color, I will copy paste the colors. Okay, dot h here. And that is for the colors. I also have line height. So need a line height for our website. Okay, line height. We will use the line height. Sorry for that. Line height. Line height. We will use the line height for the body. That is will be for the whole website, and the hidden will have line height 1. Okay, and that is for root. We will also add it here for all the websites and before after. Okay, we want the box size, border box, uh, and we want the scroll in the website. That scroll we want to make it smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Here I use asterisks, and that is mean that all elements and their pseudo elements will take this code here. Box size in border box. If someone don't know what is mean, I want you guys to take a look to this. Content box, that is a default. When I add it to the width 10 pixel for the border and 5 pixel for the padding, it is become wider than here in the child container. Okay, but when I use border box, I tell the browser make this width 100%. Let's say this width 100 pixel. I tell the browser make this 100 pixel include this amount of pixels, 10 pixels for the border and 5 pixels for the padding. And that is why it's still in this shape. Okay, so
I said, hey, browser, can you make it a child container include the border and padding in their weight? Yes. How? By using border box.
click. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. We'll add it body. We'll use font family. that is body font. Okay, and font weight will be 400. Overflow X, make it hidden. That is prevent to make horizontal, make a scroll in the horizontal. Okay, we make line height. Sorry, make line line height or line height for the body. Width we get 100. Okay, we get then in the top. That is more margin. Make for body. I want to make margin to 0. The second thing is for the titles, the head 1 and head 2, head I use head 3 also, head 4, head 5, and head 6. What is I want to use here? First of all, margin, I want to make it 0, and line height for the hidden, and font weight 700, and text text transform uppercase. Yeah. After that, we make the link display a inline block. Put the link, the style for the link, the default is inline, but I want the link to respect the width and the height. So I make it display inline block. And text decoration, none. Second thing, I want the paragraph with all the elements. Make the color gray, be the color gray, gray. Unorder the list, padding, make it padding 0, 0, and list style, make it none because there is a default style. I don't want it. Okay, I want the style for the image, make it the width 100, uh, and max width 100 to make the image uh, in the particular size don't become bigger. I want to make vertical align for the all the image in the middle. Okay, we will use a rubber, and it will be the container for the whole website. Width 100. Okay, padding in line will be 0.75 rem. We will use rem, and that's because that is better than pixel. Padding in line, that is mean padding in the left and right. Margin, I will make margin in line be auto to make the containers and sections for the website in the center. Okay, I will add it class. I named it row. That is display flex wrap, align items center, justify content center. I make this class row because we gonna use flex in many cases in our website, and we shouldn't repeat our code over and over. Each section style padding 6.5 frame, 4.5 frame. Sorry, there is 3 here. Okay, and we make this section because we will use this padding in all the sections in our website. Everything sounds good. Let's start to make the header here. Here is the header in the mobile, in the tablet, and in the desktop. Okay, it sounds good. Let's go into it. We will make the header, this header, for the mobile, and we have logo and icon, and there's links here, button here. Okay, let's start from the mobile to the desktop, that is I mentioned earlier. Okay, comment header area. area header. We'll give it class header and pressing the logo. Mm. Before the logo, we should put the everything in the container, and we named it wrapper. We'll put the logo. We'll name it header underscore logo, and that is the way we will name all the classes in our HTML. It is called the BIM. I recommend you guys to search for it. Okay, logo. We will put the image in the link. Image called logo. Okay, that's our image. We can put in the alternative logo website. That is the logo. Let's see the tablet. We can put the next thing, the links here. Okay, we will name it nav. Or, or nav. And or we will use an order list. We will call it header nav list. Header nav list with the items. We will use the list. We'll name it header nav, let's say item. Okay, item, and the item we will put also the link, and here's the first link and home about us collection team. Okay, about it, home. So give it a class header nav link. Okay, and that is the first item. We should have 5 items. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for home. The next one is for about us. About us. Okay, and about mm, collection. For collection, uh, the collection is for the team. Then the last but not least for the featured. Like featured. With that, we can edit something, and instead of make it div, we can make the tag called nav, and that is the best practice. You can use div, it's okay, but we have a tag called nav. Why we don't use it? And okay, we use the logo and the links. There is a button with the links here. We should put in the nav the button. We will name header action. We will name it header action. This is the div. The button we will make the button link header action button. Action button. Contact us. Contact us. And that is the button here inside the nav. Okay, can close it from this arrow, and that is header logo and nav. We should make it this logo for the mobile inside the wrapper also, but we can make a comment mobile nav mobile nav. We should put this icon. We will go to our website font awesome. Okay, font awesome website. start for free. So we can click on the icon above here. Okay, that is website make me confuse a little bit. Icon, where is free icon? You can click in any section here. Yeah, click onto the. We click in free option. Eliminate this filters. Okay, we write bar. It's for search for bars here. Yeah, that is we want. Okay, choose HTML and copy it and paste it. Okay, we want to see our website. That is our website on the mobile. That is the logo. Here is the links. That is the button contact us, and that is the icon. Now we should go into CSS. Sorry, before that we should end this area, header area. Okay. The comments is very important, guys. I think that's it. Can go to here. We can write start header. Okay, comment. Click on start header. First thing you want to see the website. This is the header. A container. Okay. Let's start. We need the header. First of all, the background is transparent. We want to make the background transparent and the width 100%. But before that, we should put Felix to make this in the same row, the logo and this icon. But we don't need to write display Felix, and that is why put the class named row. We put all the code we need. We just want to go to our code, and beside the wrapper, we just write row and click fresh. You see here. So we will fix this header logo inside the logo image. We will make the max width 180 pixel. Yeah, that's what we want. We want here to delete this nav, like here. In the mobile, there is only the logo and the nav bar. Okay, we will delete it. We name it header nav, header nav, display none. Okay. Now we go to the this icon here that is named mobile nav. We can start from here. Mobile nav border, border to pixel solid. The color will be the primary color. Font size 26 pixel. Baden 1 pixel, 8 pixel. Line height 1. Okay. We don't need that line height, and that is because we use the line height in the whole body. Yeah, that is line height for the whole body. But it seems bigger than we want, so we can put line height just one for the icon. Okay, make it cursor pointer, so we want to change the color now for this icon. Mobile and icon color. Guess what? Primary. Okay. Yeah, cool. If you want to change these pixels to the rim, it is okay and up to you. We can change it. 5 pixel divided by 16 rim here. Yeah. 8 pixels divided by 16 0.5 rim. In the border rules. We can let it in the border pixels. It's okay. We change the font size. Now we go to the next size. So the tablet here, the links and the bottom. But before that, we should make the container. So you can see here, guys, that is the container or wrapper. It changed. So before we keep going, style the header, we can make this wrapper adapted with different size. So we will put the media query in the end of every category. We'll put here the media query. The first size is so it is just a comment. We will use rem. Maybe start from with and the wrapper will be max width and 120 pixels. That is for this size. The second size will be the upper will be here max width 100%. Bevel line pixel. The last size will be paste 95% and padding line 0. This sizes in our website. To see this, I recommend to do here in the header. Sorry, not in the header, in the wrapper, just a border, one pixel solid. We can make it red to see the size. Okay, we make it bigger. Now here in this size, the rubber 100% and the padding and inline 0.75. You can see here, get bigger. And, oh, there is something here. We can, yeah, the next size here. Okay, that should be back the width 18, 20, 80, 20 pixel. Put them here. Good. It the rubber isn't doesn't change it. It's still the same. Yeah. Oops, we just changed the comments here. Uh, okay, 75 rem, and that will be 0.75 rem. Okay, let's see it here. 70. Yeah, here. This is the size display here. The second size, yeah, you can see it change it. It's gonna change now. We refresh. Why still the 8020 here? What is the problem here? Why it doesn't display this size? Back to it. Mm, recommend you guys to go to and search, look at the code and try different things to solve the problems. That will develop your skills for sure. I have here a problem, but I don't know why that is happening. Hmm, back to it. Why the size doesn't change? Okay. I said here when it hit 75 frame, it changed the wrapper to this. That is the code here mean, but it hit the size 90, 90, 992, but it doesn't change. Yeah, it's changed here in 1200, so you can see it. When we hit 1200, it change, but the problem is in this code. I found the problem. That is the number here isn't correct. The correct number is 62 rem. You can see in the calculator divided by 16. Yeah, that's a problem. Now you can see it. It changed. Wow, that's cool. Hope you guys see that is we always go through bugs and errors while we coding, and that is okay. But is the problem become when you don't try, don't figure out why the problem is happen, why this is not happen, and that is a problem. If you always search, you will always learn. Uh, I can make it a quote made by me. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What it is? Okay, I will think about it later. Mobile nav. Now, what we will should do, we fix the wrapper, the container or the wrapper. Now we should go to continue the header. So let's continue. Yeah, in this size 992, the links, all the nav appear and the icon disappear. So we're gonna make this. So it's this size. So, maybe a width when hit 62 rem. Make this code for me. Make the mobile nav, and that is the icon. Display none. Remove it, and make the header nav, and that is the container for the button and the links. Make it disappear. So we can make flex to the nav line item center. So what is happening? So you can see refresh. Yeah, the nav appear and the icon disappear. If we change the size, make it smaller, okay, make it wider when it hit the size we put here, change it. Yeah, what is the next is we can put style. We need style this links. We need style to this list. What is this here? Okay, nav list. Can style. As we said before, we will put the media query in the ends of every category or section. Nav, header, nav, list, display, flex, line item, center, and make padding right to rem, fresh, uh, doesn't work. Yeah, should be list, not link. Named list. Okay, we added padding here, header, nav, item, that is for this, that is named item, nav, item, nav, item. Okay, we added pattern to look like the same here, and pattern right 3 ring. Wow, seems like the same now. Here is the bottom. But before the button, we can add this style to the links here. Add content, header, header, nav, link, make the color white, and make it uh, it color, make it what we want it white. Let's see me, but it will disappear here, so we can change it for just for now. Make it any color so we can see it. Okay, we'll make it positive relative, and that is why, because we will make pseudo elements here for this border. You can see it now, positive relative, and make transition for the color 0.3 seconds is in is out. We can delete this prefixes, we don't need it. We will add the index 1 to the links. Now we can go to the this pseudo before header, link before content, okay, position absolute for sure, left 50% because we will need this border in the middle of the element. I can zoom, you can see it here. That is the border in the middle. But I want to first to see it, so we can add it now with 42 pixel and the height 1 pixel. Background, guess what? Primary color. So we can see it here. Yeah, that is the border. Mm, Before you can see it here. Edit background height. Can make it the right 0. I think we don't need this code. Left 50 background transform. We will need to make it translate to the x with negative 50 and rotate would be 0 degree. Okay, that's something here. Oh, okay. We give the pseudo transition transform translate x negative 50% to be in the middle. If we delete it, so it is return. So we added transform translate x negative 50 pixels to make the border in the middle. You can see the different here. If we delete it, it's here. We want it in the middle, so we give it negative 50, and we added rotate 0 degree. That is why, because we will change the rotate like here from 0 maybe 45. For now, we will make the hover. The first hover we will make for the nav link, we can put it here. Dot header link nav link hover. Color will change to primary. If we make hover here, color will change. Okay, the hover, we can make the hover for before we want to change it. So header nav link or hover before. When I make the hover, I want to change before for the element to transform. I will make it the same. The translate will be the same, but we will change the rotate for sure. The rotate we will make it for negative 45. We can let it. Okay. That's, mm, that's good. But we will want to change the top and the bottom. Before that, when to make, but we want to make this border in the middle, so we can add it top 50. Yeah. Okay, and here put it here top 50%. However, the transition doesn't work. Completed this perfection. And that is why mm, transition to the Fourier transition all 0.36 is in out. Can see now. Mm, Sorry, transition. So we want both transition here. All 0.36 is in is out. Yeah, it is work. Finally, it is work. Mm, It's the same now. We just want to change the font for the link in the list and for the bottom. So we can go to above in the first header, nav, link, header, action, bottom. Want to make font family hidden and font size 50 pixel. Font weight 100. Text transform, we want to make it uppercase, capital. Okay, the same here. Change the font size. Now we want to make the border disappear and appear when I make a hover. So I will go to the before and make opacity 0, and when I hover, make opacity 1. Yeah, seems good. Yeah, that's it for the link. Now we want to make this button. By the way, this button, the C button here in the hero section. So we can put the style for the buttons in our global rules here. And before the section, can put button, and that is the class. We will be use it in many cases here and here, maybe here too. So we will put the global rules for this button because we don't want to repeat our code over and over. Session relative, and that is why, because we have pseudo elements here. Background be transparent, padding 10 pixel, pixel. You know now how to change this pixel, the index 1, and margin right 5 pixel. That is 5 pixel here. We want to margin between the margin right 5 pixel because we need a space here from the button and from the edge here. Right by pixel, for sure we will use transition or the same, use and without. So after we make the class button, we can go to our HTML and we will put it in the button here and put button. See here the class button. We can put our styles to the bottom after the nav. Go here. Okay, now we will build this button. When we make hover, the pseudo element go to into it. Okay. Dot header action button. We will make the button using only pseudo elements. That is first pseudo element after, and that is because we want to make this shape. So let position absolute right 0.0, height 100%, width 100%, background primary. Let me see. Okay. Transform. We'll use transform ski x for negative 60 degree. Okay. And we will use the index negative to see the bottom here, and for sure transition for the background, for this background. Okay, you can just use background. You can say transition for all, but I prefer to be specific. Second is in out, and that is the first pseudo. The second one is before header action button before. We will use before to make this border here in the right. Content position absolute right. mm, It's on top 0. Okay, so we'll make height 100% with 5 pixel. We want to see the background primary. The same thing we will use also transform to make this position for the border here. Transition all 0.2 is in out. And we will use the index -2 because I want it to go to behind the after. Okay, the same thing here. The border go behind the after. Now we start with the hover action button. When we make hover, the before one, and that is the before the border will go to right in the right 5 pixel, and the that's it. Okay, now the the after, yeah, that's it. Now the after, what we want to from the after, we want this after we will change it, we'll change the background like here. Okay, so we'll make background secondary secondary color. Let's see what has happened here. Wow. Mm, the color for sure will be white, like the same here. Header bottom, I will change it, make the header bottom color white or white. Wow, this is cool, isn't it? Okay, make it bigger. Let's see, everything is right. Just one thing here, the list here should be in the center. So we can make in the nav, we give it already display Felix, but and that is display Felix. With the wrapper, we give it display Felix, justify content space between. So we need to change the HTML. So we can put this button out the nav. When we put out the nav, we can give the Felix to the bottom and also the list. Visual Studio. This is the header action. This is the bottom. If we make it, put it outer the nav, you can see what will happen here. Okay, yeah, that is what we want. Space between them. The same thing here. Because we split it from the nav. The flex for the wrapper, display for all these items. We can make just we can make more edit, so we can make this button disappear, and that is easy. A piece of cake now. Everything with semicolon, a piece of cake. I hope that. So we go to index, no, sorry, CSS, and give the mobile nav, not just the mobile nav now, but we want to give the bottom. Inspect header action, also display none for this, not for this, for the desktop size. Want to give this, where is that display none? Yeah, header nav and the head bottom action, action. Goodbye. Yeah. That's it, guys. Let's see what has happened here. Oh, there is a problem here. Where is the bottom? Okay, we should also edit the tablet media query. when you reach to this size, display the bottom for us. Okay. See. Wow. By the way, you can give it display block, no problem for this header. For this header action, you can just use display block, and that is the same thing. You can see it here. Maybe we can do that better than Felix because we don't need Felix for the bottom. So just display block, display block. Okay, display block. Wow. Tut, 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 tut. We did it, guys. We did it for now, for just now. The same thing here. I hope that we just need to change this color for sure, but after we put this image, but it's okay. We can change it now. Can change it now with the color. Yeah, nav links. Make it the color white. Okay. Oh, where is the link? Yeah, be focused. Okay, be focused, guys. We just change it now. So why you ask where is the links? Why you ask, man? Hey, my man. So that's it for now. Now we will go to into hero section. So in the next video we will build this hero section. The last but not least, remember, this is not just our website, this is our passion. Make sure that you make subscribe to our channel to see the next videos. Bye bye for now.
We're coding it right, the style and delight, building a page from morning to night.